Hey, techmodsec here with how to install an additional hard drive into your Hikvision NVR. Alrighty, let's get into it. So here we have the Western Digital WD purple hard drive. What you'll need is a SATA 3 cable and a page 2 Phillips hand screwdriver. So you can get the SATA cable from like your local electronics store. You can look it up online and possibly just get something cheap from somewhere. So yeah, as you can see on the side here where the flaps would go for the rack, there's a couple of screws there. Now, unlike me, make sure you put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. So you can put them in like a bowl or something like that. Now that's going to be on both sides, so just make sure you unscrew both sides there. And there will be a couple on the back of the recorder as well, as shown here. So on this 8-channel there is a total of 4. You'll notice the black cover itself. Just sort of follow along and see if there is any more additional screws. But as I said, this one here only does have 4. So once you have all the screws off, the black top cover should just slide off as shown here. Then you can grab your recorder and then plug the cable in, so it can only go in one way. So just make sure you don't force it or anything like that to prevent any damage. Then there will also be the power cable, which should be in the recorder by default. Now we're going to have to screw the hard drive in there in the recorder. So if you don't have the screws that came with the recorder, you can pinch some from here. Just pinch 2. That's what I'm doing here as well. And then that way you'll be able to securely mount the hard drive itself into the recorder. Then once you have the hard drive secured in properly, just go ahead and put the cover back on. Screwing all the screws back in, don't over tighten them, hence why I suggested using a hand screwdriver. And then just this last bit here, that's where it plugs into the board from the hard drive. And as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll put related videos in the description below. Other than that, that's a wrap. Keep it simple.